Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the poster design from scratch, and we will use the Canva from this smartphone. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do, you can install this Canva from the Play Store or the App Store, or you can also access it from the browser. And also don't forget to do the login first into your email. And this is the look of the home page. And let's say if you still need the inspiration about what poster I would like to make, then you can click this template, and let's say you can type poster and enter, and it will give you the example of the poster. But you can also create it from scratch by click this plus button, and you can choose this poster portrait A2, and it will direct you in the blank page to create your project. Make sure that your connection also good, and you have also already scanned your smartphone, or scan and delete the junk file or the unnecessary file, so the processor can run very smooth. And let's say I would like to create a poster over here about the food and veggies bazaar. Then I will click this sheet or click this page, and I will change the color. Click this, and you can start to drag the color that represent your theme of the event that you would like to announce to people. Let's say I will choose this green, and after that you can close it, and you can start to add the element here, such as the picture of the vegetables or the fruits, something like that. For example, here I will choose fruits and vegetable, and let's say I will choose this. Let's say I will choose this picture, and I will remove the background first. It will take you a while, and you can also resize this picture, or you can also put it or rotate it first. Rotate it upside down until it become 180 degree, and you can move it up and also at the size here, and place this. And after that I will add another picture of the fruit and veggies. Let's say I will choose this one, and also remove the background first and resize it a little bit, and move it down a little bit, the border of this picture or the poster. There you go. And after that you can start to add the text over here. Add T for the text button, and add a text box. Let's say I will type in a whole capital letter, coming soon, and I will choose this color to become white, and also change the font. I will choose the thick one, Archivo Black, and also resize it. And you can also add this style or the effect of this text. Let's say I will choose this outline. Then you can adjust it by click it again. And let's say if you would like to change the color of the outline to become black, it is okay. Then you can adjust the thickness. I think it's enough, and close it. Then you can adjust the position, and after that I will add the text again, close it, add text, add the text box, the fruits and veggies. It's better to add the local fruits. I can't see it. Slightly resize it so you can see the whole text. Bazaar. I'm sorry. Bazaar. And you can also do the same thing to adjust the effect of this text. I will choose outline and the color to become black, and also I will adjust the thickness of this text, and for the location, let's say I will add the another text, add text box, venue. I will choose the or type San Agustin del Guadalix, Spain. Date, let's say Saturday, 9 August 2025. Time from 8 a.m. until 50 a.m. I'm sorry, p.m. and close it. And you can resize this detail information, and you can also add the effect again as same as the previous text. Change the outline color to become black, and I will also, let's say, add the background over here to become dark green as the same color as this background, and so does this detail information. I will choose the color to become green, and after that, I'm sorry, I will add the element over here and I will choose ray. Then I will choose this one and I will resize it or magnify it. Sorry. Click this or select this first until it cover a whole page. And after that, you can keep this ray selected and scroll the menu over here and choose the position. Let's say choose the backward, and there you go. This ray will be placed in the behind of this vegetable and behind this text. I think it's better to make this coming soon text to become this background, and I will choose the green color and I will slightly move this text and slightly enlarge the size, and there you go. If you're ready to download it, then you can click this share and download, and you can start to download it in PNG, and let's say in the limited file size to become 1500 kilobyte. Then download it, and this design will be ready to be posted in your social media or another place. So that's all guys, don't forget to try it by yourself, and please let us know if this tip and trick also work for you guys. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel to watch more on another video. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.